Hi guys, this is Dmitry Bonder and this is a First Million channel. So as you may have heard, YouTube has begun allowing channels to offer memberships and my channel First Million had just been approved. So what does it mean? First off, and this is very important, I want to make this very clear, and all of the videos that you are currently enjoying for free will remain free. I'm talking about my video about investing, cryptocurrencies, weekly news about stocks, reactions to investment portfolios of the most famous financial gurus and YouTubers, reviews of investment applications, reactions to breaking news and more. This will be free. But on the top of that, I'm going to begin offering exclusive content for members. And now, for approximately $9.49 per month, you'll be able to enjoy 3 things I'm ready to offer you. First of all, loyalty badges and emojis. Cool, funny, bright badges, so every time when you comment on my videos, you can use them. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, to the moon, diamond hands, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and more. That's a cool and easy way to express your emotions. Enjoy! Also, you will get my priority reply on your comments. I will be able to see them and focus my attention on answering them. That's one of the best ways to stay connected with you, my dear viewers and subscribers. The second level of membership is all about direct interactions with you members. Of course, you will get perks from the first level, plus members only live stream and connection on a social media. So every second Friday of the month, I will be doing a live stream for members only and discussing with you investment portfolios, investment strategy that work or didn't work, market movements that interest you and me, and we will have a live and robust discussion. I promise to build a live stream all around equations and the practical aspects for personal finance and investing. No pump and dump, only reliable sources that I'm analyzing every week, and I will be sharing this with you. I also will be sharing with you my fundamental analysis that will not be shared with non-members. So every fundamental, deep analysis I make requires at least 5 hours of careful investigation and deep research, so I'm sure you will enjoy it. So today, if you are watching this video on a desktop computer, if you look underneath the video, next to the subscribe button, you're going to see a second button that says join. This is a new feature that YouTube has rolled out to creators, and this enables you guys to contribute to the channel, and in return you are gonna get some rewards and a few cool perks. I'm going to be doing a live stream that will only be available for sponsors. Now, this can be a variety of topics. We can continue to talk about you and my investments, money making in different business niches, what works and what doesn't. I will be testing different crypto and stock brokerage apps and showing you where you can buy stocks, where I can buy stocks, cryptocurrencies faster and cheaper. Thank you guys for your time and enjoy my membership.